Watch me paint the biggest canvas I've ever painted. Up next. Hi everybody, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me. My name is Soraya, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So today is a commission. I don't have it here because it's already hanging at my client's house. And I was thrilled with it, and so were they. So I am so happy about that. So keep watching to see exactly how I did this. I also have commentary throughout. So here it is, 3 feet by 7 feet. Very large. Of course, I have sped up the video, but just this bottom part took many hours. Doesn't look like it, but it took many hours. The whole painting took quite a number of days to complete, and this was just the first part. I only wanna be with you. You stopped and smiled at me, asked me if I'd care to dance. I fell into your open arms and I didn't stand a chance. Now listen honey, I just wanna be beside you every day. As long as we're together honey, I don't care. 'Cause you started something, oh can't you see? Ever since we've met you've had a hold on me. It's crazy but it's true. I only wanna be with you. It's crazy but it's true. I only wanna be with you. Once again, I've used a sponge to create the sky and the clouds. I find it works so well to blend everything together. You will notice that the composition of the painting changes dramatically. In this section, I'm trying to create a focal point. I kind of jump around, and it's only because I want certain areas to dry before I work on them again. I'm working on highlighting here, but the water itself took 9 different hues of blues to get it just right. As you can see, I like using different brush sizes to get different effects and texture. This painting took about 4 days to complete and about 6 hours every day. So I had quite a lot of editing to do to get it down under 20 minutes. I kept expanding the orange highlight of the sky just because of the sheer size of the canvas. I felt it really needed it. I love the contrast of the orange against that gray and blue background. It's really beautiful. I did a lot of layering of colors. It really needed it to have a good depth to it. The addition of this one cloud made all the difference in the focal point. This was a hard decision to lop off the clouds at that point, but I'm glad I did. It worked out beautifully. By covering it up and rubbing it off, you can still see some of that orange coming through those clouds, and that's why I was very happy with it in the end. And here too, I decided that I needed to lop off those clouds there, and I am glad that I did again. It worked so much better in the composition. Keep watching to the end because I have some up-close images of all this detailed work. This was just a lot of detail work near the end. This is the addition of kind of a little island where I will plant those trees coming up next. Sometimes it's so hard to go and paint over an area that you've spent so much time working on detail, but this was worth it. The trees look fabulous. And here is the painting all finished. I absolutely love it. The reflection of the water, the colors blending together, the light blue and the trees, they work so well together. I really, really love this painting. I have named this painting Sanguine.